Okay, I've got one transition done. This is for the abstract hip step down, and the reason I built the landing and the next transition first was because I want to see how high I can get the landing, because I'm pulling all the dirt out of that transition, which I want to go quite a bit deeper, and the size of this landing will determine how tall and deep I can go with this transition to this lip. And I kind of want this to be a real poppy. I want this to be the biggest jump so far, and it's going to be interesting coming into the abstract hip, because it's such a funky setup, but I think it'll be fun. What I really want to do is make the landing for the hip a lot steeper, because you're going to basically be, and concave, because you're going to basically be shuffling out like a berm to berm jump, but falling. So I want the outside of this to be a little bit banked out, so almost like a concave skateboard, and then the inside to be more of just a drop in, and the whole thing to be quite a bit steeper as you go to the middle, and then have a nice steep poppy lip coming into the opposite bank transition down there. So I'm going to get digging here. Hopefully this doesn't interfere with my plans too much. If it does, it's no big deal. I'll just make it less steep and a little bit longer. Also, if I have enough dirt after building the lip, I'll add on a little more deck, pile up a couple logs here and add a little more deck to the landing, just so that it's extra comfy. I want everything on this line to be pretty comfortable, even though it'll take, you know, a while to get used to some of it, just because of how twisty it's going to be. And this bank was kind of already naturally here. I just had to even it out, and it makes this landing real long. This is like a 15-foot landing, I think, pretty much. You could overshoot it by quite a lot down here and still be okay on a mountain bike. And then this big root ball here, this ancient rotten root, which the top of it's soft, but the bottom of the structure is still very hard, so it's not something I can really dig out. And this is all hollow in here. This is going to be a little skipper over this, so ideally I would want a little more room to the next jump. So that's why this is just very low. It's almost a drop. So just land and then skip off, skip over this, land into another banked transition that comes around here, and then off that way. And then we're getting into the start of the big clearing, where we're going to have a lot of opposite bank transitions, a lot of fun jumps coming down there. So it's looking really good. Okay. I just gotta pop over this. It's not big or anything, it's just weird. It's intentionally weird, but I think it should be fun. Woo! Yeah! Oh! Okay. Okay, very easy. Now I just have to accomplish more of the turn in the air. So I line up straight and can hit this jump, which isn't done yet. Alright. May need to make that lip a little more poppy, but we'll see. I don't think so. I think I can do it. Yeah! Oh, okay. Alright. That's like 1 degree better. Huh. Maybe I need to go further and bank concave it out more so it catches you. I'll try some more. Maybe we'll have to make it poppier though, because it is almost just a straight drop. It's kind of hard to turn. Unless I slow down, do more of a bunny hop and land inside, but then I don't know about the speed for the jump the way it's built. Okay, well, I'll try it again. Oh! Okay. I think I have to transfer that energy up in order to get the turn done in the air. A couple degrees steeper on the lip, and then more concave and banked to have a nice secure cambered catch. Alright, well, I'm meant for it to be weird, and it is weird, but I think it'll be really fun when I can get it to work.